Back to school isn't just a season, it's a sport. And these are the top 10 back to school essentials I'm stocking up on. Not for me, but for the person whose backpack I will definitely end up picking up off the floor. First up, we have the Jansport Classic Backpack. So this is the classic that just won't quit. I love this because it's still gonna be able to fit a 15-inch laptop. It has all of the different compartments and it's water resistant. So I just find it pretty funny because honestly, this is the backpack that I had and now my kid has it too. So it's the back to school is retro. It's just gonna carry everything, your emotional support water bottle, your books, your snacks, and of course anything that they are using to fidget with in class. So this thing has seen it all, it's going to continue to see it all, and water resistant. Now you can never be too organized. This is the 5-star Flex refillable notebook. Is it a binder? Is it a notebook? It's the organizational Swiss Army knife. You have the pockets, you have the different tabs that are in here, you have the dividers. To me, it kind of feels like it's giving more than I did probably my junior year. This is able to actually hold over 200 sheets of paper. So somehow it's still holding hope for me that this is the year that my children can then stay organized past September. Next up, we have a good old-fashioned planner. I still love these. There are a ton of different teachers that are still teaching kids to use paper planners, even digital planners still, but writing it down just means that it's gonna stay in your brain even longer. So I absolutely love this, especially for the academic calendar year. It does have to-do list in it. It has your hourly breakdown so you can start working through your schedule. Basically, this is like a command center for their brain. So whether this is a kid that is managing everything or a parent trying to manage everything else, this one just gets it. This is like your little golden Bible that you're going to be putting in for your schedule. So I think it's a classic. I think it's something everyone should be using. Hand sanitizer feels like an absolute must. I am at least glad that my youngest still has one on his backpack. It's kind of like hand sanitizer, but make it fashion. He does have this on his backpack. It's kind of like the tiny germ-fighting charm. The rest of us are putting cute charms on our purses, but this is at least making you feel good about the school year and hopefully keeping some germs away. So this is going to be the Big Daddy size. Could make a great teacher's gift. Maybe just don't wrap it alone. That seems kind of worrisome. So if they're going to be passing notes, passing pencils, passing laptops and phones, then if anything, these two things are going to give them a fighting chance. These are gonna be your tried and true. You have to probably get multiple of these for the rest of the year, maybe every 6 months. Now, if you have a kid who is wanting to use a tablet instead of a laptop, this is gonna be perfect for them. This is the Logitech Universal Folio. So it's going to help make your tablet into a laptop. And this is amazing because you have the ability to, of course, have your iPad or your tablet locked in. You can work on all of the keyboard shortcuts. It's lightweight, it's Bluetooth. It's going to make the typing a lot easier. I think that it makes it nice because you can keep up with all of the notes in class instead of trying to peck at the screen. And I don't know about your kids, but mine always seem to like hunch over and do all things on their phones and their tablets. And so maybe this can give them a fighting chance at sitting up straight and not looking like little goblins as they're going through and trying to pretend like they're doing their homework. Now, you can never go wrong with a gift card. It's the perfect gift. It's the ultimate teacher gift. Practical, they can get anything you want, and it is guaranteed to get used. Now, if you could open this with confetti that comes out, that would be even better, but that's pretty reaching. The world's best pencil. Congratulations, you did it. Ticonderoga 30 count pencils. And in fact, according to this, the world's best pencil. Pencils right now, I feel like these are the true MVPs. They're classic, they're sharpened, and Scantron approved. I'm not actually sure if that exists anymore. So there are 30 in a pack, which means there's enough to donate some. You never just have to hear, I forgot a pencil again. So these could be for students, they could be for teachers and their classrooms. This is what teachers could buy with their gift card that you also just gave them. You can never go wrong with a classic set of pencils. So stick this in their bag, make them put it in their locker, or just put it away on the teacher's desk, and she's going to say thank you. The Bento Lunchbox, I think, has to be one of my favorites. And the only reason I say that is because you can have so many different items in here. I'm gonna open this. You're about to be amazed. You're going to be organized. This has the, wait for it, utensils. They're already in here, so they're not going to lose it. You have a sauce jar. You have muffin liners. I love it because it's so much easier to clean. And I just really like it because, again, you can have so many things in one spot and it makes it easy for you to organize. Things aren't touching. You know how kids get when you have different foods that are touching, then they're not gonna eat it anymore. So this one is a solid yes. I even use this if I am maybe taking my lunch to work. You could go through there and have all types of different things. And then lock it up. Nothing is leaking inside your bag. Who wouldn't want one of these? Now, an absolute must-have is an Owala. It comes in 4 different sizes and there are more colors than a gel pen pack. And this is nice because I think if anything, you hear so many times that your child's water bottle has leaked inside their backpack. Now, if you're using the Jansport Backpack, it's not a problem. It's insulated, so your drinks are going to stay hot or cold, and yes, your kid will still forget to drink it anyway. I'm sure many of you have realized that as you pick up the water bottles, they haven't taken a drink. This is going to be the great option for the official uniform of I didn't feel like doing my hair, but I still look put together. I think that is a direct quote from my 16-year-old. It's giving sporty, it's giving late to drop off, but still killing it. I'm jealous. I'm seriously so jealous that kids can wear hats to school. So I'm, yes, going to say that this is going to be the staple uniform in your house, but also I wish that was available whenever we went to school. Those are your back to school essentials. May your mornings be smooth, your devices stay charged, and your kids' lunch actually get eaten.